Hello, fart fans. It's time for another fart. Stay tuned. If you can't succeed, you try it and try it again. And I did try again, and it did come out. Oh yes, I love that part. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.